2025 Audi A6 and AMP, S6 Sportback, the electric revolution. Audi just rewrote the rulebook. The classic A6 and S6 sedans are gone, replaced by this sleek Sportback design. Love it or hate it, this is the future. And let me tell you, Audi isn't fading away. Walk through any city, and you'll see younger crowds flocking to these cars. Sure, older buyers still love them, but Audi's winning the next generation. Radical new look. Gone is the traditional grille, it's electric, no need for cooling. Instead, we get a smooth, futuristic face with Audi's signature rings. At first glance, you might not even recognize it as an A6, until those LED headlights hit you. They've split the high beams and low beams, just like the Q8 e-tron. Design hot take, it's bold. Controversial. But undeniably Audi. No one will mistake this for a Tesla or a Chinese EV clone. Tech that impresses. Inside, it's a dual-screen cockpit, one for your speed and driving data, the other for NAV/media. Plus, there's a third screen below, like the Q6 e-tron, for climate controls, or even YouTube. Cons. Too much hard plastic. For a luxury brand, I expected more leather. But hey, Audi will happily sell you an exclusive package for an extra fee. Want alligator trim? They'll probably do that, too. Space and AMP, comfort. Front seats, roomy, even at 6'5", I tested it. Rear seats, legroom improved over the last gen headroom. No complaints. Trunk, massive. Deep enough to fit my whole legs, perfect for road trips. Performance specs. Audi A6 Sportback, battery 94.9 kWh, range 470 miles, 0 to 65.4 seconds, power 367 horsepower, charging 270 kilowatts. Audi S6 Sportback, range 420 miles, 0 to 63.9 seconds, quicker than Mustang GT, power 503 horsepower, top speed 149 miles per hour. The big question. Was killing the sedan the right move? This Sportback is gorgeous, but purists might mourn the loss. Catch you in the next one. This is Car Like, signing off.